This is the MacBook Pro 13-inch Touch Bar, late 2016 battery replacement guide. Gather tools: P5 Pentalobe, T5 Torx Spudger tweezers, attach an ESD wrist strap. Shut down macOS, flip the laptop, and remove 6 P5 screws from the bottom. Pry open the bottom case carefully with a spudger and lift the cover. Locate and disconnect the battery connector gently to fully cut power. Peel adhesive strips slowly. Apply low heat if tabs resist, avoid tearing. Lift each battery cell out one at a time, keeping tools away from cells. Install the new battery, align connector pins, and press the cells into place. Reconnect the battery connector, replace adhesive strips, and reinstall screws evenly. Reseat the bottom case, torque screws evenly, and confirm cables are routed. Boot macOS and check battery health and cycle count in system information. Recycle the old battery at a certified facility. Enjoy your refreshed MacBook.